In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a cookie consent pop-up in Webflow. Open Webflow in your browser and sign into your account. Once you land on the dashboard, move your cursor over your site card. When the site options appear, click Open in Webflow. Wait for the designer to load and make sure the home page is visible on the canvas before continuing. Now go to the left toolbar in the designer and click the Apps icon. This is the grid of squares. The Apps panel opens with a search bar at the top and a list of apps below it. Click into the search bar and type Consent Pro. As the result appears, click Consent Pro by Finsweet to open the app detail page. On the app page, click Install on Site. Give it a moment while the authorization flow completes. During this process, you may be asked which sites you want to authorize the app for. Choose the appropriate site so the app can connect. After that, the app will launch. If you are prompted to sign into Finsweet, complete that sign-in step and then wait for the app to finish loading. If the app tells you your project needs to be in staging mode, publish the project so the connection can proceed. Once the app is ready, click Create Banner. For the banner type, choose Opt-in Banner. This is the GDPR-compliant option that blocks scripts until the visitor accepts. Leave the default configuration in place for this first setup. Then select a page. You can use an existing page or create a new one, depending on what is shown in the app. After the page is selected, click Create Banner to confirm. Minimize the app so you can see the canvas clearly. Consent Pro will place a native banner component onto your page. You should now see it appear at the bottom of the canvas with 3 buttons: Accept, Reject, and Preferences. Open the app again. Inside the Consent Pro panel, click the Manager tab. Then click Scan Now. Consent Pro will scan your site for tracking scripts such as Google Analytics, Metapixel, and Webflow Insights. This scan can take about 2 to 5 minutes, so wait for the results to populate. When the scripts are listed, go through each one carefully. Next to every script, click the Category dropdown and assign the proper category. If Google Analytics is found, set it to Analytics. If Metapixel is found, set it to Marketing. Continue assigning categories for each detected script in the list. If no scripts are found, that is still fine. On a fresh demo site, there may be nothing to classify yet, and Consent Pro will still be able to block scripts that are added later. If you assigned any categories, click Apply. This is the blue button at the top of the panel, and it saves the configuration. Next, click the Actions button so you can view any pending tasks required for the app to work properly. Look for the action that says Add Consent Pro script to your website. Click that item and follow the instructions shown there. You will need to copy the Consent Pro script. After copying it, leave the app and go to your site settings. Then open Custom Code. In the Head section, click at the very top and paste the script there. Once the script is in place, save the change. Then publish the website so that code is added to the live project. Now return to the designer and click the banner component on the canvas to select it. With the banner selected, go to the Style panel on the right side. Change the background color so it matches your brand. After that, click into the banner text and update the wording if you want to adjust the message. Once the banner looks the way you want, go to the top right corner of the designer and click Publish. Then choose Publish to selected domains. Wait until you see the green Success message. When that appears, click the staging URL to open the live site in a new tab. On the live page, the cookie consent banner should appear at the bottom of the screen. To verify the behavior, open your browser developer tools, then go to the Application tab, then Cookies. Check that Analytics cookies are not being set before consent is given. The banner is now in place, and the tracking scripts are blocked by default until the visitor clicks Accept. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Your Webflow site now shows a GDPR opt-in cookie consent banner across the site. Tracking scripts stay blocked until the visitor accepts the relevant categories, and the banner remains a native Webflow component that you can restyle directly in the designer whenever needed.